In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Cloudflare account password in just a few minutes. Resetting your password is a crucial skill to ensure the security of your account, whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for good measure. Follow along with me as I guide you through each step, making sure you're comfortable and confident in handling your Cloudflare account settings. To begin, we're going to head over to the Cloudflare website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Cloudflare's main web page. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the Login page, take a moment to enter your email address and current password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can click on the Forgot Password link to start the recovery process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Cloudflare account homepage. From there, you're going to want to access your account settings, which you can find by clicking on My Profile. This link is usually located at the top of the page or within a navigation menu. By clicking there, you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the My Profile page, your next step is to locate Authentication. This option allows you to control security settings for your account, including the password. Click on Authentication, and you'll be taken to a page with different security features. Now, focus your attention on the Password section. This area is typically where you can set a new password or update your existing one. Click on Password, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password as well as your new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A good tip is to avoid commonly used words or easily guessed information, like birthdays, to enhance your account's security. Double-check your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. This ensures that there are no typos and that you're all set to go. Once you've done that, look for the Save or Update Password button and click it to finalize the update. Congratulations! Your Cloudflare account password has now been successfully reset. It's always a good idea to keep your security information updated, and you're all set for your next login. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.